I didn't get a picture of it, but we're in Rhode Island now. They have those little squares, and they had a sign that said "Don't litter our clean roads," and roads was spelled R-H-O-D-S instead of roads.
Now take the US 6 East ramp on the left.
What's that sign? Historic Federal Hill. There's one. Don't litter our clean roads. Is that it? The gray one?
Yeah.
There it is. It looks like a smog tower. What's on top? These greenish bridges. These buildings are so gray. Got some nice blue bridges underneath. Macy's there.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Francis Street.
Oh, it's Macy's too. It's a mall. There it is.
In
What's that
500
thing on
feet,
top,
turn
though?
left to stay on Francis Street. Then your destination will be on the right.
What's that thing on top? Let's get closer. Alright, 67 degrees outside, 4:10 p.m. 4-hour parking, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So, yeah. It's the Rhode Island Medical Society. Renaissance. Somebody paid for it already. We have a free hour. Alright, let's go. That's what I don't like about those machines. They should have a thing where you put in a thing, it gives you a ticket, and then you pay it. But I guess maybe they don't have a way to clock out the payment. There's a little blue house over there. Alright, let's go. We're going up towards the Capitol here. So I think I was supposed to go down there first, but well, we'll go up here in the back and see how it looks. Okay, so I think they're doing construction on that thing. That's why it has that up there. East Coast. Masonry and restoration. Yeah, so they're doing, like I said, no Capitol's complete without their construction. Okay, so there's a giant grass field and there's a billion Canadian geese over there. Look at that. So this place has this Veterans Memorial Auditorium. Let me see. So the Renaissance is a Veterans Memorial building. And they have like a little phone booth thing. Look. There's a ballroom. I thought the Renaissance is a hotel. I don't know if I'm gonna go in here, but there you go. Yeah, I don't think I'm going in here. This looks like for like a show or some shows or something. Oh, I can't go in there anyways. It's closed. All right, let's go look at the Capitol. Okay. We have two, or I guess 4 of those dome right on the bottom, and then one at the top. Is he gonna chase the Canadian geese? Anyways, here's the Rhode Island State Capitol building. Oh, I'm too close. Alright, there's the Rhode Island State Capitol. Just bring him closer. This is the Rhode Island Credit Union. I guess she gave up. She's walking away from the... Jeez, did someone run that over? Anyways, that building. And let's continue going around to the other side. That's right, there are 4 of those on the bottom, and then that main one. Oh, geese. You guys going walking to them. We got a long extension cord going up there, or something, or maybe it's just a rope. Actually, no, I think it's an extension cord. So maybe we're running some power tools up there. He got scared, he's running away. You can tell this building is really old because they don't have central air conditioning. They each have their own little air conditioning box inside the windows. Speed hump, don't do it slow. Okay, they got these eagle things on here. And then it's blocked off so that cars can't drive in. There's some stuff written up there. Let's see if we can read it. Let me do a picture, I'll be clearer. And there's this building. It just says Rhode Island. I don't know what it is. Alright, and there it is, the front entrance. Can't really get a far enough view unless I do wide angle like this, but then it's kind of distorted, but there you go. So up here they have these like brick target thingies on the ground. I don't see any other stuff here like monuments or anything like that, so this might be the end of the Rhode Island Capitol tour already. There's that in the distance. I wonder what that building is. Alright, so here we go. Let's zoom in so you can see some more details. There we go. They have a ramp up here for cars to drive up, apparently. Wait, what? This isn't... Yeah, because I don't think you can wheelchair up this. It's... Yeah, but that'd be like small cars, like golf carts or something, I don't know. Or you just gotta drive really carefully. Then they have this kind of floor, the slippery stuff that will make you fall if it's wet, which it is. Huh. How'd someone do that? Here is the balcony, terrace, whatever you call this thing, I don't know. Rooftop. Not really the roof, the thing. We're walking around the side now. But yeah, I don't see any monuments or anything to look at here. Okay, there's that other building over there. Those little thingies on top. This side has a little balcony up there. Destroying the radiators. Alright, this side of the Capitol has two things, so we'll go down and take a look. But let's take a look up here first. We have this balcony out here. Some floral decorations. And it looks like there's something up there, so we're gonna have to look at that from far away. Under the roofs have some more floral decorations. Not really much else here. Okay, let's walk down and then probably go around that way later. Yeah, this kind of stuff, I don't know. I mean, I'm wearing shoes now, but I'm assuming, actually this looks more grippy, textured than the other Capitol, so you'd probably be okay. I don't think you'd slip. You got this little thing for standing and giving a speech or something. Okay, and from here you can read that. There you go. Alright, so there's this thing, and it just has his name down there. Green. You're sure? That's right, he is green. And there's this guy. I'll laugh if his name's like Brown or something, but it's Peppy. Okay, there you go. And they just have this big field area here. Not really much going on. Oh, there's a little thing in there. Let's see if there's something there. Alright, there you go. There's the Rhode Island State Capitol. And then across the street they have Cheesecake Factory if you're hungry, and some porta potties. I don't see a walkway to get there, so I guess you just walk in the grass and walk around. Yep, there's no walkway. You walk in the grass. The grass is wet from rain. So it's a good thing I'm wearing shoes now. Where's the entrance? Here's the entrance, and there's some stuff in there, so let's go see. Okay, so I got these two bushes for entrance. Dedicated October 23rd, 2005. That's not that long ago. Here we go. U.S. Army. They have a star-shaped garden here. Coast Guard. Okay, it's just gonna have all the military branches. Air Force. I hope that's the proper term. Navy. Marine Corps. Alright. And then, so what's the, because I've seen some, they say like Merchant Marine. That I haven't heard of that until I've seen it, these things. Anyways, here you go. Rhode Island seal, I'm sure. Yep, State Seal. Department of U.S. Garden of Heroes. So Rhode Island heroes that made the sacrifice. There you go. Oh, this one, it's an A, if you can't tell. Okay. Alright, so that might be it. Let's go walk around. If there's nothing else, then this is the end of the Rhode Island Capital tour. We have just grass going up this hill. It looks like if you go along the side, it just goes out to the grass and then comes back up to here where the geese are. So that was a full circle. I don't see anything else here. So let's go. And just gotta be careful. Lots of goose poops. Alright, let's go. They're probably blaming the dogs, but it's the geese. They're leaving all the poops. The tree, it's like partially yellow and green. It's nice. That was a super short one, 34 minutes on the thing. I'm gonna go use the porta potty. I don't know what's going on here, but there's all these tents and porta potties, so hopefully they work and hopefully they have toilet paper. Alright, that was a quick one. Time to continue now to Massachusetts. And then after Massachusetts, we're going to charge up in Salem, New Hampshire. And then we'll visit the New Hampshire one, but we might have to do it in the morning. So there's that building with that cross over there. Spiky cross. Alright, let's go. There's a little river down there going through the town. Nice. There's a cemetery over there. I missed a lot of it. And also there was another Cybertruck, so yeah, see? Even in this tiny state, Rhode Island, there was one. But they might have been traveling as well. What's Peter Pan? What do they do there? What do they sell? Is it a bus service? It's probably a bus service. I saw a bus that had Peter Pan on it. It's to fly you to Neverland.